Hello students, in this video we are going to read The Fun They Had Beehive book part 2nd. Part 1st already we have discussed in previous video. Those who have not seen my previous video, just you go to playlist and watch there. In previous video we have seen that Margie's mechanical teacher is not working properly, so that country inspector came to repair the mechanical teacher. Okay, so we will continue from point 4. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. The mechanic came and he was carrying a toolbox and wires, and he gave an apple to Margie, then took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he would not know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right. And after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which the man put the teacher apart, and Margie was thinking, he is not able to make the correct my mechanical teacher, so he don't know anything how he will do it in a right way. But the country inspector came after an hour with a teacher, mechanical teacher, a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. There is a mechanical teacher, so there is a like a monitor, there is a screen in that all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. Okay, that was not so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot. Slot means here a given space, time or position where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. So there is some problems with the mechanical teacher of Margie. So here Margie was not happy because she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code. Okay, because there is a mechanical teacher, so they are using as a punch code to make a communication or like that. Okay. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones." That inspector told to Margie's mother that it is not the little girl's fault. Here that Mrs. Jones, who is that Mrs. Jones? Margie's mother. Okay, I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick. Geared means here adjusted to a particular standard or level. It means that geography sector is little bit going fast, more than the Margie's age. Okay, that was not working properly. So that country inspector was telling to her mother. It means whose mother? Margie's mother. Okay. He was saying those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. It means now that the country inspector have maintained the label according to Margie's age, that geography sector little bit it is going fast now, so he have now make a label according to Margie's age. Okay, actually the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory, and he patted Margie's head again. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Here, Margie was so sad and so disappointed because she don't want to that country inspector should repair my mechanical teacher, or she is thinking that it take a too much time to repair my mechanical teacher, because he is comparing that when the Tommy's teacher geography sector was had blanked out completely, so it take a 1 month or more than that. So she was thinking that my mechanical teacher also will go for a 1 month away from me, so I will be free and happy. Okay. Now here again Margie and Tommy, both they were talking about a book. So she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about school? What is the special about the school? So somebody wrote about the school in this book. Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. Because it is not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. It is not our kind of school. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. He added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. Sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher. It was a man. Because that story take place in the future, and Tommy and Margie have a robotic teacher, but they are saying that not a regular teacher, it was a man. They are saying it was a man. A man? How could a man be a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. But Margie is thinking that how could be a man be a teacher? But Tommy is saying he just told the boys and girls things and asked the question answer also and gave the homework to complete. Okay. Rest of the things we will see in next video. Okay, bye. Then see you in the next video.